This one is a little bit to the north of Denver in Boulder, and unfortunately, it's famous for not a very positive reason and actually a very sad and depressing story, which is all about JonBenét Ramsey. If you remember, now almost 30 years ago in 1996, this was the talk of the town, national news, all about this very beautiful young girl that was a beauty queen and how she was murdered in her home. And still to this day, there's speculation on who even was the person that killed her. You know, there's a lot of rumors about it being her father. A lot of others have even talked about it being her younger brother. She was only 6 years old at the time, and again, it's just a horrible story. But this house has really been plagued ever since. It's been for sale for close to 30 years and had a really hard time ever finding a serious buyer. It's located on 15th Street, which is just a little bit west of the Hill, University Hill, which is just where all of the bookstores and kind of the top part of CU Boulder's campus. It is still a beautiful home. It's over 7,500 square feet. It has a very unique Tudor style to the home's design. It's 5 bedrooms, has multiple different living areas, and a pretty unique penthouse primary suite. It's gone through extensive renovations since the disaster back in 1996, and actually most recently it was for sale in 2023. It was listed at just under $7 million, and after several months of no serious offers on the home, they ended up taking it off the market. One thing that I always thought was really unique about this JonBenét Ramsey house is I went to college up in CU Boulder, and all around where this home is located are some of the most beautiful homes. A lot of them are actually now sorority houses and just some of these other very historic homes that from the outside, when you're just driving by on the street, don't really look like much, but it is incredible how much larger they actually are once you see an aerial view or are able to even tour some of these homes on the inside. Obviously, this one has some pretty creepy backstory to it, and I'm not sure if I'd feel comfortable even walking through the house. And I think I'm probably not alone on that reason. That's why it's been having a very difficult time selling over the last 25 years.